Hey guys, it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a makeup look for you guys because I haven't done makeup looks in so long. I got these rhinestones off Amazon and I really wanted to play with makeup and play with the rhinestones. It got me thinking to like Euphoria, so today's video is going to be on a Euphoria inspired makeup. Maddy in Euphoria, her makeup is literally like so cute and so bomb like in every episode because she plays around with colors and like rhinestones and like stuff like that on her eyelids. I really wanted to like do something new and like do a different makeup look because I never really ever use rhinestones like on my face, like not even at raves. I love this makeup look. It turned out so fun. So if you guys want to see this Euphoria Maddy inspired makeup look, then keep watching and let's get started. So I already put like sunscreen and everything on my face earlier, so now I'm gonna take this Farsali called Unicorn Essence. It's like a face primer. I haven't used this before, so this is gonna be my first time using this, but it's supposed to be like a primer for your face, skin enhancing antioxidant serum. I hear a lot about this, so I thought I would try it out, and this is like the sample size. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I honestly don't even know how much I'm supposed to put. Let's say that. And it smells so good, like cotton candy or like some candy. It smells so good. But I hear good reviews about this from like my coworkers and stuff, so I thought I'd give it a try. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using my Dior Forever. Don't mind my nail, by the way, it fell off. Pumped it on my face. I just like to do it this way. I don't know why. Oh, this is Real Techniques. Real Techniques blender. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. And I do kind of want to go a little lighter just to brighten like my highlighted areas. Kilo's being crazy over there. Then on the other side of my beauty, or not my beauty blender, my Real Techniques blender, blend it all out. So like I do my under eyes and then my T right here just to brighten your face. And then I like to take my NYX Finishing Powder. I've been using this for so long, for as long as I can remember. This one and then the powder one, which is this one. I ran out of this one though, so I've been using this one, but they both work. I like it. And then after that, I like to take my Anastasia Brow Powder Duo and an angled brush to do my brows. So I like to start with the dark color and just go from the top, outside first, and then I like to work my way in. I take the dark for the outside and then the light for the inside. Oh my god, what is happening? Did you get something? He got something? The whole time he was looking for that, where did he even see it?
I don't know.
Oh my god, he's so smart. That was probably the piece that he's been looking for this whole time. So the past few days, Kilo has been like scratching at our couch and we like don't know what it is. And we even looked in there and I looked for so long and I even flashed my flashlight and I'm like, dude, there's nothing there. Justin just looked at the couch and he found this little small piece of his chew stick. Oh my gosh, and he's like not even playing with it now. And then to clean up a little bit around my brows, I like to take a flat brush and my Tarte Shape Tape and I just clean up the edges a little bit. So then for eyes today, I'm gonna prime it first and hopefully my battery's gonna die. Hopefully I look the same I don't know if it's zoomed out too much or what, but it's fine. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia eye primer. This is a little sample size if I wanted to look more pigmented. And I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. You have to work pretty quickly with this because it dries really fast. Oh my gosh, my eyes look crazy right now. But hopefully we'll fix that. Oh my gosh, it looks so bright. What I'm going to do first is do a base layer, and I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I use this all the time just because I love the colors. Like there's everyday colors and then there's like bright colors if I'm feeling a little like extra that day. So I like to typically go in with like a brown or a light brown to base the top. And I like to just do it on the top. I don't like to do it on the bottom lid because I'm gonna put color there. Maybe I should move you guys a little closer. Okay, after I do this. Okay, let me bring you guys closer. And I'm gonna go in with a darker brown. And then I like to go like on the crease area, back and forth. So next I'm gonna take my Morphe M124. Looks like this, like a flat curved brush. I'm gonna start with the purple. And I'm just going to dab it in, press it in to the lower lid. And then with a pencil brush, I'm gonna add the purple to the bottom as well. I'm also gonna take that dark brown, I'm just using the same brush, and add it to the outside corner. With the back of that same brush I used for the purple, I'm gonna go in, should I show you guys actually? So I used this purple and now I'm gonna go in with this blue, just at the bottom, right here, to make it pop a little more. And I actually kind of want to put this green, just put these two, just to play around with it and see what happens. I'm just gonna grab it and put like a tiny bit. Right here. Ooh, that looks fun. And then I'm going to take a dark brown and fix my crease a little bit more. Actually, I'm gonna make it kind of like a corner, like a V. I'm actually going to take just like a random brush with nothing on it and just blend it out. Or blend everything together. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone a little and I'm just gonna take a highlight, a white, this one right here, to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also gonna put it like in my inner corner at my tear duct, just to brighten it a little. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I seriously love this one. Like, I've been using it for so long, and it never disappoints. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold my mirror. And then a little bit on my bottom lash line. And then I like to take a pencil brush just to blend that out a little bit. And I realized I need to blend that a little bit. And now I'm going to do mascara. Oh my god, this video is literally so long. So while I let that dry, I'm going to contour. I'm going to take my Hoola in Caramel. I love this one because it's darker. Contour it a little. My temples and my jawline. And then for blush, I'm going to take my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette. It has so many colors, so I like to use this. I'm going to go with the peach one right here, like a baby mauve pink. For highlight, I'm going to take my Anastasia Glow Kit. I love this one. So I'm going to take Sunburst right here, just because I feel like Euphoria makeup's like super bright and fun. Okay, I'm gonna do the one where it's like around her crease, and I got these rhinestones, and this one has like so many colors, 25 colors. So I'm gonna do this color. It's like white iridescent with a rainbow shimmer inside. I'm gonna grab my tweezer. I don't know if this will even show like once I put my lashes on. My lashes are so big. I feel like this would be so fun for like a rave. Too bad we can't go to one anytime soon. This was like such fun rave makeup. This is so hard. Okay. I don't know if your brain is scrambled from all the Molly you take. Alright, how cute is this? Isn't this cute? I want to go to a freaking rave.
Do you want to pop Molly?
Okay, now I'm gonna put on my lashes. That freaking took forever. I'm gonna be using my Duo. Usually I use the House of Lashes, but I ran out and Sephora has been closed, so I haven't gone to get it. Or the Sephora's in like my area. I forgot to bake my face today, but it's fine. I'm not going anywhere, so it's fine. But usually I'll bake my face a little bit, like if I was going to a rave. Gosh, so fun. Last thing is my lips. Let's do a fun pink color. So I'm gonna take One Wish by Kylie's lip liner. I'm using this color. So for the lip part, I'm gonna be using my NYX Liquid Suede, and this one is the color Soft Spoken. It's like a pretty mauve color. Then I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors On Repeat gloss. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it, and I love the little rhinestone. Fun purple color. In Euphoria, they like always have like these bright colors, and Maddy's like makeup is so cute. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm definitely going to be playing around with more colors from now on, just because I think it's so fun and it'll like brighten your spirits a little since we're in quarantine, and playing with rhinestones is honestly like the most fun I've had, even though it was kind of difficult to put on. Like, I think it's so fun, and it just like makes you feel good. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. This was honestly so fun, and I'm definitely gonna do another makeup tutorial like this because I just love it. Like, isn't it so cute? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!